Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this Air-Neotronics PDM205 Pressure Meter. These are handheld devices used to measure differential pressure in air and non-corrosive gases, which means that it measures pressure drops, gas flows, and pressure differentials. Um, Here's a quick physical look at this unit. Unfortunately, the battery cover is missing on this thing, but it does work. So let's go ahead and turn this on. There it is. It's got a fast and slow switch. Sometimes it turns on right away. And from what I'm reading, you have to wait a little bit for it to set. Like, there you go. So anyway, there's another switch here to change the decimal point from there to there. And then it's got a wheel to, I guess, maybe to calibrate, because it's set to 0. So we can go and try to get it to 0. There you go. Yeah, these things are supposed to be safe to use in like hazardous, like explosive environments. So obviously this is a specialized device used by many professionals. Um, and there are some instructions here in the back. So the do's and do nots. So yeah, there. Anyway, again, just a quick look at this device. It's very interesting, and it has a couple of nicks and scratches right there. It's hard to see, but it doesn't affect the visibility of the display. All right. Anyway, again, this is just a quick look at this unit, and it's got no battery cover in the back. There you go. All right. Let me know if you guys know how these things work. Leave a comment, and then hopefully, yeah, let's have a community figure out how this thing works, and if there's someone out there that uses this, love to hear from you. All right. Anyway, hope you liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That is Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.